Let's learn phonics with teacher A. Let's begin. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for doll, doll. E is for egg, egg. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for hand, hand. I is for insect, insect. J is for jump, jump. K is for kite, kite. L is for lamb, lamb. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for noodles, noodles. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for puppies, puppies. Q is for quilt, quilt. R is for rail, rail. S is for sun, sun. T is for tail, tail. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for vase, vase. W is for wagon, wagon. X is for box, box. Y is for yarn, yarn. Z is for zoo, zoo. Yay! Good job!